Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another What Sold on eBay video. This week we're going to be taking a look at 31 things that I sold on eBay in the past week. And yeah, this was a little slower week than I'm used to for sure. I actually had one day this week where I didn't sell anything, which I can't even remember the last time that happened. That might have been like 6 months ago or something. And then I had another day where I sold like 50 bucks worth of stuff. So a couple of pretty bad days, and I can blame a lot of that on my listing performance. It wasn't that great, so I'm definitely trying to step it up this week. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at what sold. It still wasn't a horrible week. Like, I got something bouncing here. What do you want, iTunes? Still wasn't a horrible week. Had some nice sales. This is not one of them. We'll go ahead and get started. This is Gran Turismo 5. Sold it for $5.99 plus shipping. I don't remember buying this, but it would have been part of a lot, I'm sure. I would never buy this game by itself. So probably had $1 or less into it. Sold it for $5.99 plus shipping on top. Here is another game. This was part of a lot of games that I paid $1 or less for, probably within the past three to 4 weeks. Got $9.99 plus shipping on top. It's C2 Judgment Clay. All right, this is a Speedlight 580 EX2 Flash. The last one of the lot of 580 EX2 Flashes I bought. I had 3 total, and I paid $45 for this, and I got $152 plus shipping on top. This is a Sony CCD TR86 Video 8 camcorder. I bought this in Houston for $10, and I actually paired it with this nice little vintage Sony bag that I picked up at an estate sale. I think I paid $2 for this bag, and yeah, pretty good sale though. I got $12 into this, and I got $90 plus shipping. I think it took like 2 weeks, and of course I did do a video right down here showing the camera working. All right, this is a figurine I had about 25 cents into. Got $10 plus shipping on top. And this is a remote control that I have $2 into. I got $9 plus shipping. Now this helmet, I bought, I think 3 helmets, and 2 of them sold pretty well. This one didn't get much because it's not a Harley helmet. It's an HJC silver half helmet. And I think I took an offer of like $15 on this one. $15 plus shipping. I don't even remember what I paid for I think I paid like 30 bucks for the 3 helmets, and the other 2 I did like around 40, 50 on, and then this one I got just $15 for. Another figurine thing, 25 cents in, $10 plus shipping out. Still have a pretty good many of these figurines from a gift shop buyout that I did. Here's another Flash. I paid $25 for this one. There's a Canon 430 EX2 Flash. This is like, the 580 EX2 is kind of a pro flash, sort of, prosumer flash. And this is more of a consumer flash, but still a really good one. 430 EX2, I got $110 plus shipping on top. Here is another Harley helmet that I got during another buy. I don't think it was the same buy as that one. Not positive. But yeah, I got $25 plus shipping, I think. Unless I took an offer. I don't think I took an offer. Not positive. This could have been about $20. But it's a half helmet. What I found with the helmets, and you see it's got quite a few like dings and scratches and stuff on it. And you can see my umbrellas there. But what I found on these helmets is when they have the face shields and all that stuff, that adds a lot of value. I don't really know a ton about helmets. This is a Harley helmet though. It's got the little Harley sticker on the side of it. All right, this is some VHS tapes that I picked up at an estate sale a couple of weeks ago. During a video, I picked them up. I think I paid, man, not prepared. I think I paid like $3 for these, and it took a few weeks, and I got $23 plus shipping on top for them. All right, this is a PS1, and I paired some games. These games came with it. I think I paid like $10 for this thing, and I think I pulled a couple of the games out to sell separately, and then allotted all these these 4 games up with it, and I got $33.99 plus shipping. PS1s are kind of tough sells, really. All right, if y'all watched the video a few videos back, I lotted up 29 issues of this Nintendo Power stuff, and I have somewhere between $5 to $10 into a whole lot of Nintendo Power and strategy guides, and then I have like some older Nintendo Power stuff that I haven't even listed yet. This was part of that stuff, and I got $50 plus shipping on top, and I'm shipping these. Actually, I shipped these today. Shipped these in a medium flat rate box, so that was a nice little return. They sold like, I think the next day after I listed them. This is a shower radio that I've had for a long time. I picked this up at a thrift store, I think about a year ago. I think I paid $1.99 for it, and it finally sold. I took an offer, I think for $17 plus shipping, and the offer said, it was funny, the message in the offer said, "My sister likes purple." That's all it said. So that was good enough for me. I of course accepted the offer, and yeah, I mean, it's a good return, but it took a freaking year. So this is not a great brand. There was a time when I sold like a Sony shower radio for like $150. It was brand new in the box. And then right after that, I sold a Brookstone shower radio that was new in the box for, I think, around $25, $30. And then I saw this one in a thrift store, and I'm like, man, that looks kind of cool. You know, this translucent purple look. And ended up, it was not that cool. It took a long time to sell. There's a pair of just Levi's jean shorts, and I paid $1 for these, and I got $11 plus shipping. And they ship padded flat rate. All right, this is a really good chess book sale. I picked up a stack of chess books, and I think I paid like $5 for probably about 10 books. And some of them I sold like in a lot, and then there were like 3 or 4 that I pulled out to sell separately, and this is one of them. I took an offer of $22 plus shipping. This is actually a paperback book with Gary Kasparov. Looks like he's probably playing some kind of simultaneous exhibition type thing there. But yeah, chess books, man. Chess books have always done well for me, so I always pick them up when I see them. This is another Houston pickup. I believe I paid either $10 or $12 for this Pelican case. It's a laptop case, and I sold it without the keys because I didn't have them, and I disclosed it here in all caps, "does not come with keys." And I got $50.99 plus shipping on top for this. I sent it out today, as a matter of fact, via FedEx Ground. This is a really cheap Nintendo game. I've had it forever at $3.99. It finally sold, and I got it shipped out today. This is Top Gun. Got $3.99 plus shipping on top for it. I bought 6 PS4 games, 6 mediocre PS4 games for $20. And this past weekend, I didn't even look them up, and I've sold off 5 of them already. So I sold this one for $13, and so I guess I have what, $3 and $3.20 or something like that into each one. Sold this one for $13 plus shipping, Dark Souls 3. I sold this one for $10 plus shipping, Uncharted 4. Sold this one for $10 plus shipping, Dragon Age Inquisition. Sold this one for $10 plus shipping, Bloodborne. So just those four, before fees, I've got $43 back. Before fees, and the shipping was on top. So already doing okay, especially since I didn't put much time or effort into that. This is a good sale. I picked these up this past weekend. These Lord of the Rings DVDs, extended play. Like each one of these little sections was sealed, and it has like 4 DVDs in each one, so it's 12 DVDs total. This sold pretty quickly for $25 plus shipping. I have $2 into it. All right, here's another one of those games. So that's $12 plus shipping for this one, Metal Gear Solid 5, The Phantom Pain for PS4. So I had 43. So I have 55 back out of a $20 investment, and not including fees. And I still have one game left, and the game I have left I think is like worth about $8 or $9. So it's not going to be a home run on that, but it was still worth doing, I think, because I mean these sold like super duper quick. Okay, here's a calculator I picked up this past weekend. I'm going to show 2 TI-83 pluses that sold. I think one sold yesterday and one sold today. And I picked one of them up for $5, and I picked one of them up for $1, and they both worked. I got really lucky. I picked up a bunch of calculators this past weekend. Every single one of them worked for me, and I didn't test any of them when I was out in the field, so got lucky. Got $27.99 plus shipping for this one. This is a DVD recorder. It's not a combo unit. It's just a DVD recorder. I had it for quite a while, and I took an offer of $40 plus shipping. Believe I paid $5 for this at a yard sale, maybe about, I don't know, 5-6 weeks ago. So was glad to go ahead and get that sold. This is a yearbook I bought, I believe, on Friday. Estruma High School in Baton Rouge, 1940. So it's a really old one. It was weird. I think I listed this Saturday night, either Friday or Saturday night. And this morning I get a question from somebody asking me if a certain person is in the book. And my experience before with answering those kind of questions regarding yearbooks is it's not, because I've gotten these kind of questions a bunch and they never have resulted in a sale. It's just people trying to use me to do research, So I didn't answer their question. And then about 2 hours later, somebody else, some totally different account, bought the yearbook. So at that point, I went ahead and said, well, I got it sold. I might as well go ahead and answer the question. I looked for the person in question. I said, no, they're not in there. And they thanked me. So, but I wasn't going to do that until I got it sold. Actually, I wasn't going to do it at all, and then I just kind of felt like a jerk about not answering them, so I went ahead and answered the question. But I don't like doing research. I got fooled a few times, and the people didn't even say thank you, or buy the book. So I was like, you know what? Never again. I'm not going to answer questions about, like, the contents of the book, even though I guess it could potentially cost a sale. But if you're buying this book, and you don't know if somebody went to the school or not, that doesn't make sense to me. Like, if you're interested in this yearbook, you're either in it or you know who was in it and you know that they were there. So, I don't know. This is a Garmin eTrex 10 that I picked up this past weekend. I paid $10 for it, and I got 60. And this is what I do with these. I always power them up, and I make sure I get good satellite acquisition, and it's showing like the GPS coordinates and everything, and it's showing the satellite constellation. And it's also, of course, proving the screen works and stuff. I think that helps if you show that working. And then also you always want to show a nice clean, or whatever it is, you just show the battery compartment, let them see what it looks like. So I always get a nice close-up of that. All right, this is another pickup from this past weekend. I actually paid $1 for this Canon Allura 100 mini DV camcorder, and I got top dollar for this. I looked these up, and in working condition, they've gone anywhere from like $30 up to maybe $60 or so. And I had the box, and I had this nice low pro bag. I had like the cables still sealed in the plastic, I had the remote, I had like everything, even a sealed Sony tape to throw in with it. I had the manual, the disc, all that stuff, right? And I made a video showing it work that I put in right here. So with all that, I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and try and get top dollar, and I did. I got $79.99 plus shipping, which is a really good price for this camera. So I was pretty happy with that. It sold within about well, listed it this morning, and it sold this afternoon. So that was an awesome sale. Also quick sale. Another calculator I picked up this past weekend. I paid $7 for this. And this is a, you want to make a distinction with the TI-84s. This is a TI-84 Plus calculator, and it wasn't in terrific condition. But there are also TI-84 Plus Silver Edition calculators that you will get more money for. This was not that model. It's just a TI-84 Plus. But it did work well. I put a couple of functions down, and somebody bought it within, I think, about 3 hours or so. So I paid $7. I got $45 plus shipping on top. All right, last sale. It's another calculator. This is the other TI-83 Plus. Like I said, I paid $5 for one, $1 for the other. So I guess you could say I have 3 in each one, and I got the same exact price I got for the last one. Got $27.99 plus shipping on top. So guys, that is it for this week. It's a short sales video this week. I'm hoping for a much longer video next week. I think it will be, but we'll see. We'll see. You got to take the good with the bad sometimes, and sometimes you just got to work a little harder. So hope y'all had a great week, and I will see y'all again tomorrow with another video. Have a great night, guys. Bye-bye.